Looking for the best quiet desk fans to keep your workspace cool without distracting noise? You're in the right place. Our channel delivers high-quality product videos every day to help you make smarter buying decisions. And in this video, we'll show you top silent desk fans that blend powerful airflow with whisper-quiet performance. Number 1. New God Rechargeable Desk Fan. If you're looking for a quiet desk fan with all the necessary features, this might be the one for you. It plugs into a USB port, but also has a rechargeable battery. This means you can take it around the office with you when you're away from your desk. It has 4 speed settings, and the maximum volume is 45 dB. This makes it quieter than others on this list and puts it around the same volume as a standard refrigerator, which isn't loud. The fan has an automatic rotation setting, which helps circulate air around the room. You can manually adjust it vertically too, meaning you have a wide range of direction settings. One issue mentioned by some users is that the LED power light is very bright and can be distracting. But you can remedy this with a piece of tape, and it isn't even that much of an issue if you work in a bright office. Number 2. Black Decker Mini Tower Desk Fan. This mini tower desk fan by Black Decker is the only blade impeller fan on this list. Unlike traditional axial fans, most tower fans use blade impellers to generate airflow. As a result, they tend to be more compact, lightweight, and slightly quieter. It only features 2 speed settings. Alas, no specific noise rating comes in the specification, yet many reviewers praised how quiet this fan is provided its great airflow. You won't notice it too much in a standard office. Moreover, the noise generated is white noise, meaning it's a very steady and comfortable noise. The fan plugs directly into a wall outlet, which might not be as convenient as a USB fan. However, it does offer low power consumption, so it is an economical option. What's more, it comes with a 5-foot-long cord, which allows you to move it around very easily. Number 3. Dr. Prepare Tower Fan for Offices. Granted, this one might not fit into the category of small, quiet desk fans because it's 12 inches tall, but it might be worth the extra space. It features 2 fans for greater airflow and a 110-degree arc for greater air circulation. Like a standard fan, it moves side to side, which helps keep a greater area cool. The fan has 3 speed settings and gets quite powerful. Its maximum setting produces 60 decibels of noise, making it the loudest on this list. However, this is still quieter than a standard office fan, so it shouldn't be too distracting. Some users reported that, while the fan is quiet, the back and forth movement isn't. They stated it can creak while moving, which can be distracting. The easiest way to avoid this is to keep it static, so if you want a rotating fan, perhaps look for a different model. Number 4. Gadget USB Desk Fan. This quiet desktop fan from Gadget is a simple and budget-friendly option. It plugs into a USB port on your computer, making it ideal for use at your desk. It weighs less than 8 ounces and has a 7-inch diameter, meaning it's quite compact. Importantly, its base has rubber pads to prevent vibrations and noise transfer through your desk. This helps keep the overall noise level down. This table fan has several speed settings and its head can rotate horizontally and vertically. Its highest setting isn't louder than 50 dB, so you won't really notice it in an office. Some users reported that its compact size means it can move around slightly on the higher speeds. This is easy to overcome using a bit of blue tack or sticky tape though. Some speed settings can fold stable and power up your AC setup to running as a good product. You won't find the same build quality as in more expensive models. Number 5. Calm Life Mini USB Desk Fan. As another budget-friendly desktop fan, this model does everything it needs to. It has 4 speed settings up to a maximum of 3,800 RPM, which provides plenty of airflow. While there's no dB rating mentioned, users reported it's comparatively quieter than other USB desktop fans on the market. The USB cable is nearly 3 feet long, so you should have plenty of flexibility with where you place it. Also, you can manually tilt the fan on a 310-degree axis, which is more than enough when sat at a desk. The fan has a stable base with 4 rubber pads to help reduce vibration. This is useful considering it's not very heavy and reaches high speeds. Some users reported that the rubber pads, which stick to the surface, are difficult to remove once placed. While this is a minor issue, it does make moving the fan a challenge. Bear this in mind before you stick it in place.